Hi, my name is Guillermo Ocampo. I'm an equipment engineer with LG. I typically go by G because it's hard to pronounce my name. I was born and raised in Arizona. I was born in a small town called Somerton. It's in the southwest of Arizona near the Mexican border. My current role right now is equipment engineer. My main responsibilities right now, since the factory is not running or doing any production, is installing the new mixer equipment into the facility. So I'm managing most of the contractors and having them install the equipment. The main reason I chose to be an equipment engineer was because I always loved taking things apart as a kid, and planning projects in my father's garage. Going into equipment engineering was just an extension of that. The equipment engineering role is important, and it's all just due to maintenance. A lot of tools tend to break down. So in order to keep them up and running, you need to know how to maintain them, optimize them, and train the technicians to keep them up and running. My job is just to keep the engine running. It's to keep the engine running, to optimize it, and to know how to improve it in the future. So the most challenging aspect of my job is data analytics. Trying to improve tools requires a lot of data. I tend to feel the most proud at the end when I know that I've solved or I've helped solve the problem. I like to focus all my attention on one problem rather than focusing my attention and solving 100 smaller problems. In the short time that I've been working at LG Energy Solution, it's truly astounding the amount of work and dedication that it takes to manage and build a state-of-the-art facility for cylindrical batteries. Honestly, it's surprising the amount of moving parts that you have to manage all together. There was one distinct moment when I was given a tour to a contractor. They were in charge of installing the roll press and the slurry machine in the factory. I gave them the tour and I explained the whole process from beginning to end of what it takes to build a cylindrical battery. What sets LG Energy Solutions apart is their onboarding process. I've been working in a lot of tech companies, and honestly, their ability to take someone from not knowing anything about battery manufacturing to having them working on the floor, honestly, very outstanding. I love working with my team, honestly. They are very hardworking and honestly a very fun crowd to be around. So working with them is both fulfilling and amazing, honestly. I personally believe the biggest strength that an engineer can have is just to be humble. If you learn to work with your team, you're not going to have all the answers, so you have to learn how to depend on others. You will excel much more in this field or anywhere, and I believe being humble separates good engineers from great engineers.